All right. As far as vacant session, you may be seated.
Yeah.
Are you ready, Your Honor?
Who's talking? At the jail, no, we're going to be taking up something here in the courtroom, so just bear with us. We'll let you know when it's time for the jail.
Okay.
All right. The first matter we need to take up is State of Tennessee versus Krystal Daniels. Mr. Flanagan, you will bring her out. Okay. All right, this is here for arraignment on a superseding indictment returned by the September term of the Dickson County grand jury. Mr. Flanagan, have you been given a copy of that indictment or presentment?
I have, Your Honor. We would waive a formal reading and enter a plea of not guilty at this point.
Plea of not guilty is entered. We have a trial date already set for the February date. I believe February the 1st is the start date. Is that correct?
February 2nd.
February 2nd?
Yes, sir. Because I think the 1st is a holiday. Yes.
What holiday is that?
No, it's February 1st.
February 1st.
It is the 1st.
It is
Oh, that's
Chinese
right.
New Year.
All right, February 1st, 2022 will be the start date. And from the state, do you have any idea for planning purposes how long we think this case will take,
Including jury selection,
including jury selection?
10 days.
All right. All right, we will figure out where we're going to get a jury sometime between now and then and try to keep that amongst ourselves so that we're not polluting the prospective jury pool, and we'll go from there. So, all right, then this case will remain set for the February 1st date, and then we'll just, you have some motions that were set originally for today. Did you want to have those heard today?
No, sir. In light of this, we don't, but we would ask if we could go ahead and pick a motion date.
Well, let's
And
find
it's gonna
one.
be, the state and I are going to agree on the motion for bill of particulars. That won't be necessary. The suppression motion is, because we have the benefit of the prior trial, that's going to be streamlined. All of the motions that I anticipate will be able to be heard in half a day. Do you agree with that, Joe?
Yes.
How much lead time do you need? In other words, how quickly are we talking about trying to get those heard?
Whatever, I mean, we're ready to go, whatever dates are available. Superseding won't affect the motion, so just whatever the court can find.
That's, the October the 7th, we set a general sessions appeal on a bench trial, is that correct? Are you available on October the 7th?
Yes, sir.
Judge, I'm coming from the state versus Kenny Niles homicide trial.
No, that's right. I think we talked about that. So. What about November the 12th in the afternoon? At 1 o'clock.
That was criminal docket call with Judge Wallace.
I mean, I'll be here anyway then, so we could do it at some point that day. We'll be here all day anyway.
When we set it for 1 o'clock that day, we'll do it in this courtroom. Judge Wallace will have a different courtroom. That's the advantage of the beautiful new facility we have. All right, we're going to set, I have Houston County Chantry that morning, but typically that's a short day, so we'll just plan on 1 o'clock on the 12th of November. And these will be any motions that you intend to file before the actual trial, correct?
Yes, that's correct, sir.
All right. And we will set those at 1 o'clock on November the 12th, and we'll hear those, and then the trial date will still remain for the February.
That's correct. Thank you.
All right. Is that all we had for Ms. Daniels then?
It is.
All right, Ms. Daniels, we'll step back with the officers, please.